So in today's video, I'm going to be giving you updates about BLUM. Now, we all know that BLUM is set to launch because they're already pre-listed on gate.io. BLUM actually means business. Now, there are several updates that I'm going to be sharing in this video. All you just need to do is to stay with me to the end of the video to get those updates and get yourself prepared. And I'm also going to show you ways that you can use to earn more BLUM for yourself, because if you are not actually earning more BLUM for yourself right now, you are making a very big mistake, because you should focus on making some money from BLUM airdrop. So now I'm going to move into my phone screen to show you the latest updates and explain what that update is, and then also show you ways you can make more BLUMs for yourself. Now, they dropped this update on Telegram and every other social media platform that they are on. Today, being the 19th of October 2024, they are actually saying, we notice some of you are mixing up drop games and meme pads. No worries, we got you covered. And now they made a detailed explanation on what a meme pad is and a drop game is. We all know what a drop game is. Most of us have been participating in that drop game for a while now. The old game that you play and you tap and tap and tap on what they drop down. That's the drop game. The meme pad is a new project that they're working on, right? This meme pad will enable you to create, buy or sell tokens on BLUM platform. You can be able to create your own personal token. Like maybe you've been wishing to have a token to your name all this while, you'll be able to create a token on BLUM platform. So that's what the meme pad is about, right? I'm going to just read through this update and then we're going to now talk about it a little bit in this video. Now, that said, drop game, you collect BLUM points, avoid bombs, and use freeze to keep clock ticking, right? It's the same thing I said earlier. The game we've been playing recently, the game we've been playing ever since BLUM started is the drop game, right? And then I went further to say, meme pad, this feature almost ready to launch soon. It's still in progress, right? They have not launched it completely soon. So soon you'll be able to create your own token in under a minute. You want to make token creation very easy. This is mind-blowing. Trust me. BLUM is one of those projects that, apart from even mining the project, you should also look to buying it at launch, because an idea like this will turn out to be very massive. It will make it easy for anyone to be able to create token on BLUM's platform. So you'll be able to create your own token. If you want to have a crypto project, you can be able to have a crypto project easily. That is what BLUM is planning to establish and develop. That's amazing, right, guys? BLUM is going to be big. You shouldn't just focus on the airdrop that you want to get from BLUM. Focus on the project as a whole, right? Not just the airdrop. That's what I'm going to be doing, right? I'm going to focus on BLUM project, not just BLUM airdrop, because BLUM is going to be big. If you are not taking part in this BLUM vision, then you are missing out. So now that you understand what the meme pad is, I'm going to also show you how you can get more BLUM tokens for yourself. So when you launch the app now and then it opens up, please guys, make sure you check in every single day, right? You can see that I've been consistent with checking in, right? So make sure you check in every single day, right? But one of the ways you can earn is by coming to these socials. Make sure you participate. Make sure you follow all this. Take your time to participate on all of this to get more BLUM points for yourself. For those of you that are just getting started, do all these tasks right here. All these tasks are available for you to do. There are also some on the new that you can do, the on-chain. Make sure you do all those tasks, all of them. Make sure you do them to get more BLUM points for yourself. It is not too late for you to accumulate BLUM points. Guys, start accumulating BLUM points so you can make more BLUMs for yourself before the launch date. So guys, that's all I have to say right now in this video. So that'll be the end of today's video, guys. I'm going to see you in the next one, but until then, bye for now.